Hello everybody. Today discuss about the topic is once again binomial theorem, mathematics 2a, part 10. Today discuss topic is what is the meaning of numerically greatest term or numerically greatest terms. Here you can define numerically greatest term or terms by using 1 plus x all power n expansion. Which expansion? 1 plus x all power n expansion. In this 1 plus x all power n expansion is called standard binomial expansion. Suppose x plus a whole power n expansion is there. In this x plus a whole power n expansion, you can convert it to 1 plus x. Nothing but you can common here a common 1 plus x by a whole power n. Here a into 1 a into x by a nothing but x. Here you can write this one is a power n into 1 plus x by a whole power n. This is a 1 plus x all power n expansion. In this expansion, x is equal to x by a. This is a 1 plus x all power n expansion. In this 1 plus x all power n expansion, put a p is equal to n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. Here p is equal to what? N plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. Here n is the power of the binomial expansion. X is this value. Here x value also be given in this problem. Here you can find n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x having two cases. One is an integer. Is not an integer. Here this p value is a integer nothing but a positive integer 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Here suppose p value 1.5 is there. 1.5 is not a integer. That type of problem, so that is case 2. Case 1 just positive integer. In this p value having a integer, here numerically greatest terms having two numerically greatest terms, that is pth term and p plus 1th term. Which term? Pth term or p plus 1th term. This when we called t suffix p comma t suffix p plus 1. These two are numerically greatest terms of the given binomial expansion if p is on a integer. Otherwise, if p is not a integer, nothing but p value 5.6 or 10.5 or 11.5 decimal form or fraction form. That numbers are not a integers. In that case, having only one term, that is p plus 1th term. That is what? P plus 1th term, that can written as tp plus 1. Here p plus 1th term you can find p is not a integer, only one numerically greatest term. P is a integer having two numerically greatest terms, that is pth term and p plus 1th term. Here numerical greatest terms is not a integer, only one, that is p plus 1th term. This numerically greatest terms you can find by using general term. By using general term definition, r plus 1th term is called general term. By using general term definition, you get to find numerically. This one is a 2 marks question, important problem. Sometimes this problem coming to unexpected 7 marks question. This is very important problem, 7 marks unexpected. Here this one is exercise 6a Roman number 2nd question number 4. Third one, find the numerically greatest term or numerically term in the expansion of 4a minus 6b all power 13. This is expansion 4a minus 6b all power 13. When a is equal to 3, comma b is equal to 5. Here numerically greatest term nothing but NGT, numerically greatest term shortcut form. Here first we can take expansion 4a minus 6b all power 13. Here first this expansion converted to 1 minus x all power n form. Here we can common here 4a, here 4a is common, 1 minus 6b by 4a all power 13, correct or not? 4a into 1 4a, 4a plus into minus minus 4a into 6b by 4a, 4a get cancelled, you get 6b. Similarly we can write 4a all power 13 into 1 minus 2 3s are 2 2s are 3b by 2a all power 13. This power separately 4a power 13 into 1 minus 3b by 2a all power 13. This is the expansion. In this expansion 1 minus 3b by 2a all power 13 expansion comparing with 1 minus x all power n expansion, comparing with 1 minus x all power n expansion. First given binomial expansion converted to 1 minus x all power n form. After that this 1 minus x or 1 plus x all power expansion comparing with 1 minus x all power n or 1 plus x all power n, you get n value 13, x value 3b by 2a. Here we know that a value, b value, a value is 3, x value is 3 into b value is 5 by 2 into a value is how much here? A value is 3. Here 3 get cancelled, x value is 5 by 2. X value is what here? 5 by 2. After that we can by the definition of the numerically greatest term, what is the value of p? P is equal to n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. This one is a formula of you can find numerically greatest term or greatest terms by using this formula. In this formula you can write n value is 13, x value is 5 by 2. You get what? P is equal to n value 13 plus 1 mod x value 5 by 2 by 1 plus mod 5 by 2. Mod 5 by 2 nothing but a positive. You get what here? P is equal to 14 into 5 by 2 by 1 plus 5 by 2. You get take LCM. P is equal to 14 into 5 by 2 all by, here take LCM, numerator 14 into 5 by 2, denominator here 1 is there, here 2 is there, take LCM 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. 2 get cancelled, p is equal to 14 into 5 by 2 plus 5 value how much? 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are, you get p value is 10. 10 is what here? 10 is what here? 10 is integer or not? 10 is a positive integer, that's why is on positive integer. What is the formula? What is the formula of p is a integer having two numerically greatest terms, that is tp or tp plus 1, nothing but pth term or p plus 1th term. Here p value is, you can write 10. After that you can find the first pth term, that general term of the expansion, general term of the expansion 1 minus x all power n is tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 all power r ncr x power r. This is the formula of general term. General term in the expansion of 1 minus x all power n is formula what? tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 all power r into ncr into x power r. After that this is equation number 1. Suppose this is equation number 1. In this equation you can write p value, nothing but r value t10, nothing but here t10 and t10 plus 1, nothing but t10 comma t11. Here numerically greatest term, how many numerically greatest terms can be possible? 2 numerically greatest terms can be possible, that is 10th term and 11th term. Here you can write in place of r which value you get 10th term. You can write 10th term, 10 plus 1 11th term. Suppose you can write r value 9, 9 plus 1 10th, that is 10th term. You can write r value 9 in equation 1. You can write r value 9, r value 9, n value 13, n value 13, x value is 5 by 2. X value is 1 implies t r value 9 plus 1 is equal to, here this term multiplied with 4a whole power 13. Why? Because here 4a whole power 13 is common. This common term multiplied with each numerically greatest term. Here you can multiply 4a whole power 13 into minus 1 whole power r value 9, NCR, n value 13c, r value 9, x value 5 by 2, whole power r value is 9. After that you can write t10 is equal to 4 into a value what here? A value what here? A value is 3, 4 into 3 whole power 13 into minus 1 whole power 9. 9 is which number? Odd number. You get a negative minus 13c9 into 5 power 9 by 2 power 9. 5 power 9 by 2 power 9. After that we can write t10 equal to minus 13c9 4 power 13 into 3 power 13 into 5 power 9 into 2 power minus 9. Here minus 13c9 is there, 4 power 13 into 3 power 13, here 5 power 9 is 5 power 9, here 2 power 9 having denominator, this denominator goes to numerator 2 power minus 9. That equal to minus 13c9 5 power 9, 3 power 13, here 4 power 13. 4 power 13 nothing but 2 square whole power 13. Correct or not? 2 square value 4 power 13. 2 square whole power 13. 13 2s are 26. You can write 4 power 13 2 power 26 into 2 power minus 9. 2 power 26, 4 power 13 can written as 2 power 36 in this way, 2 power minus 9. You can write 13c minus 13c9 into 5 power 9 into 3 power 13 into 2 power, here basis cycle power should be added, 26 minus 9, how much? 26 minus 9, 17. You can write in this term t10th is equal to minus 13c9 into, you can write 5 power 9, 5 power 9, 3 power 13 can written as 3 power 9 into 3 power 9 into 3 power 4. Correct or not? Here 3 power 13. 9 plus 4 how much? 13. After that 2 power 13 can written as 2 power 9 into 2 power 8. Once again here bases are equal, power should be added, 9 plus 4 13. Here also bases are equal, power should be added 9 plus 8 17. Here we can write 5 power 9, 3 power 9, 2 power 9 having same power, minus 13c9 into 5 into 3 into 2 whole power 9. Correct or not? 5 into 3 into 2 whole power having same power. After that 3 power 4 into this 2 power 8. 2 power 8 can be written as 2 square whole power 4. Correct or not? 2 square value 2 power 2 whole power 4. 4 2 is 8. You get 2 power 8. Here 2 square can be written as 4 minus 13c9. 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30 power n into 3 power 4 into, this can be written as 4 power 4. You can write minus 13c9, 30 power 9 into 12 power 4, nothing but 3 into 4 whole power 4. Why? Because here power having same, you can multiply these two, 3 into 4 whole power 4. After that minus 13c9 into 30 power 9 into 4 3 is 12 power 4. Here this is the 10th term. Here you can find a numerically greatest term. Here numerically greatest term always positive. That's why you can write both side modulus. Modulus of T10 is equal to modulus having negative, positive 13C9 into 30 power 9 into 12 power 4. This is the 10th term of the given. You can find 11th term in equation 1 substituted r value 10, 10 plus 1 11th term, and n value we can write 13 and x value is 5 by 2 substituted equation 1 implies t 10 plus 1. This numerical greatest term also be multiplied with 4a power 13 into minus 1 whole power 10 into n value 13c, r value what? R value is 10, x value 5 by 2, whole power r value is once again 10. You can write this one is t11 equal to 4 into a value is 3 whole power 13, 4 into a value is 3 whole power 13, minus 1 whole power 10, 10 is which number? Even number, that is positive, 13c10 into 5 power 10 by 2 power 10, 5 power 10 by 2 power 10. After that t11 equal to you can write this one 4 power 13 into 3 power 13 into 13c10 into 5 power 10 into this 2 power 10 goes to numerator 2 power minus 10. After that 4 power 13 nothing but 2 square whole power 13, 2 square whole power 13 nothing but 2 power 26. You can write t11 equal to 13c10 into 2 power 4 power 13 nothing but 2 power 26 into 2 power minus 10 into 5 power 10 into 3 power 13. So once again 3c10, 3 here 4 power 13 nothing but 2 power 26, here 2 power minus 10, 5 power 10 and 3 power 13. After that t11 equal to 13c10, 2 power bases are equal, power should be added, 26 minus 10 how much? 26 minus 10 16 into 5 power 10 into 3 power 13 into 3 power 13. After that this can be written as 13c10 into 2 power 16 nothing but 2 power 10 into 2 power 6, bases are equal, power should be added, 5 power 10 are similar, 3 power 13 nothing but 3 power 10 into 3 power 3. After that 13c10, here 2 power 10, here 5 power 10, here 3 power 10, we can write multiplying whole power 10, 2 into 5 into 3 whole power 10 into 2 power 6, 2 power 6 into 3 power 3, 13c10 into 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30 power 10 into, here this can written as 2 square whole power 3, correct or not? Here a power m whole power n, 2 power 2 into 3 6. You get what is the value of 2 square? 2 square value is 4 power 3 into 3 power 3. After that you can multiply these two, 13c10 into 30 power 10 into 4 into 3 whole power 3. You can write 13c10 into 30 power 10 into 12 power 3. 4 3s are 12 power 3. This is the 11th term. This is the which term? 11th term. This is the numerical greatest terms or term solved in this way. First we can solve here p is a integer having 2 terms, that is 10th term already completed. This is the 11th term of the numerically greatest term or greatest terms model. First problem is 4 plus 3x whole power 15 when x is equal to 7 by 2. First of all, this x function converted to 1 plus x whole power n. Here you can common here 4, you get 1 plus 3x by 4 whole power 15. You get first you can find p value, p is equal to n plus 1 into mod x by 1 plus mod x. You can solve substituted all values. Here p is a positive integer or not, check. Here p is a integer, two greatest terms, that is p term and p plus 1th term. This is integer, it is not a integer, p plus 1th term. Previous problem model, you can do that this one. Here in this problem you can common 3x, 1 plus 5y by 3x all power 12. After that similarly do that similar p, you can find p. After that p is integer or not, check. Substituted numerical greatest terms. How many numerical greatest terms you can find? First you can solve. After that in this equation you can common 3. Here n value also be given 15. Here also be you can find p. P is a integer, two numerical greatest terms. P is not a integer, only one. We can find general term definition. Suppose here 1 minus x whole power n x function having a negative minus 1 whole power r is there. Here numerical greatest term always positive, that's why you can using modulus. This is the 7 marks unexpected question in IP examination, very important. Do that this 3 problem, similar problem model or previous problem model. Okay.